Hey everybody, it's Lynn again. I am here to give you a very quick tutorial on eyebrows. Can we talk eyebrows? Oh my God. So I took the liner off that I was using for my eyebrows because I want to show you what I'm using and what it can do to complete the eye. This one I left on. I don't know if you can see, but I don't like a thick brow because I barely have any. So that's the one that I put on, and as you can see, I barely have a brow here. So this is what I have been using. It's called the Works Brow and Liner Kit. And in it, there are actually a number of things. This is, I'm using the color taupe, and this is a gel. And as you can see, I've already used this because this is mine, but you literally need a drop on your eyebrow brush. A little goes a long way, so this is gonna last a very long time. And it comes with a brush. One side is the slanted eyebrow brush, and the other side is a regular brush where you can, get your eyebrows, I don't know what that was, brush your eyebrows before and after. In addition to that, it comes with 3 forms that you can use if you're not real sure what the shape should be. So this one is called Pixie, and this is the one that I use on mine, which I'm going to show you on this eye so I'm even. This one is called Angel. As you can see, it's a little thicker. And this one is Fairy. You can see there. Fairy is even a little thicker. So it's basically your kit, your eyebrow kit. You will need nothing else. So I've got my Pixie, and I'm going to open my gel again. This is the color, so you can see. I'm doing lighter now. I used to do a darker brow, but I'm sure you could see my hair is now a lot lighter, and because I barely have any brows, they're really not that medium to dark brown anymore. So that's why I'm going with the taupe, and it seems to match pretty well. Now with this, you use both sides of it. So I already did this side, okay, and now I'm going to do this side. So let me get my brush. So I'm only going to dip this. I'm going to show you just the littlest bit. There's very little on here, okay, very little. And then I'm going to take my Pixie, and I actually do this in 2 steps because this isn't going to necessarily match the arch of your brow. So I'm going to do the first half of my brow first up until the arch, and then I'm going to move it so that I can continue with the second half. So here whoop, there goes my earring. Okay, here we go. I'm going to, let me just get it set up here. Okay, so there we go. I am going to put this on. And what you can do is line the bottom, line the top, and just kind of fill it in. And now I'm going to go to the other side. Right there. And Just do a little more. There we go. I just want to. I kind of leave this part for last so I can make just some small strokes. And then I just go over it one more time. Some more strokes. Just so it looks kind of natural with the hairs going up, and you're going to go up to your arch and down the side. And you want to make sure you look somewhat even. So I think we're about even. Now, there you go. So this is, it's a gel, so it feels a little tacky when you put it on. And you'll see as it dries, it gets just the slightest bit darker. There we go. Okay. So there we go. I have eyebrows now. But it's very simple, and I love the fact that I have these to help guide me. My hand, I don't know. I just don't find that I'm very steady in figuring out, you know, what the shape should be. And this is a godsend for me because I just, you know, I need that guidance, and that's really all you need. So again, this is called the Works Brow and Liner Kit, and you could go to lashlove.com, www.lashloveunlimited.com, and you will find it there. And the colors, there's a number of colors that you can get. There's taupe, brown, dark brown, and black. And the other cool thing that you can do with, I wouldn't do it with necessarily the taupe for my eyes, but if I had a dark brown or a black, you can actually use it to line your eyes on the inside and underneath, and it will stay. This is waterproof. You can wear this for several days and it won't come off. You don't have to worry about redoing your brows every single day because it's on, it's on. The easiest way to get it off is if you use an oil-based makeup remover, like for example, this is the one that I use. You could see it kind of, well, when it settles, it's kind of in two parts, and we just shake it up and it takes off everything, including nice and easy my the eyeliner that the magnetic eyeliner that I use for my lashes. So it kind of, you know, takes care of all that in one wipe. It's really easy. So you have lots of colors to choose from with this, and it's fabulous. I love it. I can literally just wash my face, the brows stay on. I can sleep with my brows on, wake up, and they're not going anywhere. It doesn't come off on your hands. It's amazing. It's amazing. Best thing I ever used for my brows. I've always used powder, and it, you know, it goes on, looks nice, and then, you know, a couple of hours later from me touching my face or whatever, it's off by the time I get home. So I finally found something that stays, and that's waterproof, and that I can keep on overnight, and I don't have to constantly be worrying about my brows. So if you have any questions, just pop them below or private message me. And as I said, if you want to check it out a little further, feel free. Just go to www.lashloveunlimited.com. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.